HIKARI HX688T computer, direct drive, intelligent super high-speed cloud overlock sewing machine. HIKARI cloud overlock machine. Smart induction, fabric startup, sensitive and higher recognition. Adding a light filtering to avoid interference and wearing. Higher speed and higher efficiency. Patent inner dust solution device. Automatic reduces internal fabric waste. Make the production environment more tidy and environmentally friendly. Built for high-end factories. Newly upgraded integrated design. Improve machine performance and sewing quality. Easy to debug, the install. Optional advanced HIKARI cloud technology can connect with phone app by Wi-Fi. Machines can be connected eternally to achieve the IoT connections. Can be connected with ERP system. Establish the production form of real-time information sharing. Errors report and remote service by internet connection. Full-color touching screen. Easier human-computer interface. User parameter setting. Different modes of options. Cloud overlock machine. HIKARI HX688T computer, direct drive, intelligent super high-speed cloud overlock sewing machine. HIKARI, focusing on new technology and automation.